What up guys, my name is Stanley Steen from Team Deberoo, and in this video we are going to continue our live build for a sweepstakes offer from Mob Idea. So let's dive in.
But first, a little promotion. My full stack affiliate platform, the Deberoo Suite, now offers for a limited time only upwards to 80% off. We have a tracking software, a landing page builder and a spy tool, cash flow manager and so much more. So feel free to check it out through the description down below. Click the link. Step 1, create your account. Step 2, watch the video on the dashboard to claim your deal with upwards to 80% off. But if not of that, let's go back to the video.
Alright, so if you haven't seen the previous video on this channel, make sure to check it out, because in that video we are going to build a gift box select landing page on this offer, the Samsung S9 offer. So if you want to see the results, this is basically what we made. So the gift box select, and you can press 3 times, and the third time you will win the Samsung S9. There it is, beautiful, awesome, and there goes the redirect. So that's the landing page, and if you want to see how that got built and all the details that you want to pay attention to, make sure to check out the previous video on this YouTube channel, as we will go through the landing page in detail. But one thing where we didn't have enough time for last time is the creatives for this offer. So in this video, we are going to focus on building some creatives for the same offer, the Samsung S9 sweepstakes for France, Paris. So that's what we're going to do. If you want to see the offer, this is the offer. It's a 23.47 euro payout. In France, like I said, it's a credit card submit for desktop, phone, tablet and smart TV, so basically anything. It has a daily cap of 10, and elites with less than 5% rebill will be subject to specific evaluation and may be deemed as not payable, excuse me. Alright. So yeah, we're gonna create some creatives. First, let's do a quick spy using Anstrax. So I'm gonna search for the Samsung S9 specific in this case to see if we get some results. And if we don't get any results, I will just search for the Samsung in general. But there are quite some Samsung S9 offers. Samsung S9, New Zealand only, be a winner of Samsung Galaxy S9. Not a strong headline, so not a good source of inspiration. Your chance for a new Samsung S9. Message de la Poste. I think that's French. Oh, that is French. So that might be actually a good source of inspiration. Let's take a look. Yeah, I'm not too interested about the landing page, but okay, so this is probably the postal sign from France. Alright, alright. Let's see. Samsung Galaxy S9, it could be yours. Take now. Congratulations, you've won a free... Yeah, okay. So they're all basic headlines. I don't see anything... anything really that just jumps out at me. So yeah, we're just gonna start building some creatives. This should be fine. I don't... get a whole lot of inspiration from these kind of ads. So let's go to propeller ads. Propeller ads. There we go. La 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 la. All right, here we go. Login. So if you don't have an account yet, obviously you would need to sign up first. I'm gonna turn my ad blocker off for this page. Pause on this site. Alright. Alright, it took some time, but apparently it was the ad blocker, which I paused, but it still blocked me from logging in somehow. But who cares? We're in. So I'm gonna click on create campaign, as we want to create a campaign, obviously. So let's call it France Samsung sweepstake actually. There we go. And we're gonna run with push notifications on classic push. So we want to put our target URL here. I'm just going to put one randomly for now, but we'll change that later. Alrighty. So we need an icon and an image, obviously. So for the icon, I'm just going to use the Samsung logo, which I used in the landing page as well. So that's going to be 192 by 192. There we go. And we can just drag our logo in. It should be still here. There we go. Ugly. This is gonna be, yeah, not that nice. It's the logo of Samsung is not really made to make rectangular images. So it will probably be something like this, and it's gonna get smaller. So I don't even know if this is gonna be visible for a user if it's gonna be this small. Oh, right. Whatever. Yep, go ahead. It's small, but I think it will work. We're gonna leave it there. So the image has to be 360 by 240. 360 by 240. Let's go. So we want to look for a Samsung S9. Doesn't have to be transparent. Maybe multiple. Let's see. I like this. Yeah, sure. That works. Let's get that into Canva. And then we have our first image, which is beautiful. I like it. So let's download it, and we're gonna throw it in here. Yep. Okay. I'm just gonna test this out. I never took an angle like this, but it just popped in my head, so I'm just gonna give it a try and see what kind of results we will get. Which color do you prefer? Big. Get a chance to win a Samsung S9. Which color do you prefer? Get a chance to win a Samsung S9. So that looks pretty dope, actually. That looks pretty dope. So we're gonna do another one just to get some testing in there. I'm gonna use the same logo. I like the Samsung logo. It's fine. It works. Awesome. So let's see. Girl with Samsung S9. Let's see what we get. Okay. Are these S9s? Isn't this like an edge or something? Okay, I'm not too good with phones. This works. This works. Even though she doesn't look too happy if that's a brand new just one phone, but whatever. We're still gonna throw it in there. So let's get rid of this. Throw that in our Canva. Maybe we need to, let's see. I'm gonna do it like this, manually. I don't want that black border in the bottom. And then, whoop, needs to be bigger. Okay, that's a little too much. Let's try again. So now the phone comes in again. Okay, never mind. We're gonna do it. Let's see. It's hard to see, but okay. Let's drag it here. Let's drag it here. I cannot get this in a nice format. You see what's happening? I have to cut off her hands. I don't like this image anyway, so let's look for something else. What is this? Are these two S9s? I don't know. Don't like it says Barcelona though. Even though that could be like not even readable in the image when it gets cropped, but you never know. I don't like to take risk with these things, so yeah. Yeah, those are not S9s, never mind. Or is it? Nah. Alright, maybe something else. So, win a Samsung S9. I'm just gonna see if there's... Dope. That's awesome. We don't have to do anything about this, except we do have to crop it in the right dimensions. So let's download it. Is it a web page? Nope. Okay, good. Alright, and drag it in there, and drag it in there. Oh, I don't know what I did there. So we don't need all that extra room for the banner, so I'm gonna do it like that, and then increase it here, so that all those three phones can be right there. Awesome, I'm gonna download this, there we go, and then we're gonna pop it up into Propeller Ads. Awesome. Do you want a new Samsung? Get your chance on a brand new Samsung S9. Great, that's a perfect fit. No, that's not a perfect fit. Get your chance. Let's do it like this. No other way. Alright, cool. Let's do one more. Why not? Why the F not? So should we take another approach? Let's see if we can get something in Anstrax. I do need a little bit... Oh yeah, we can do that La Poste thing, right? So the first thing right now we kind of saw it in Anstrax, but the first thing you want to look for is postal service in France, right? So now we know La Poste is the postal service in France. So La Poste France logo. Then we go to images and we can pick one of those logos. But actually I don't really like the postal service kind of thing, because I personally would never get a pop-up from my logo postal service. So we could do a international shipping. So for example, FedEx logo, and take that, but that's never gonna fit, so maybe take that instead. Whoops. And then this would be the, ooh, I like this one better with the purple. This will pop because of those colors. So I'm gonna save this image and I'm gonna make it into the logo. So I'm not gonna make it into the featured image, but it's gonna be the logo. All right, there we go. That's perfect, and download it. So that's gonna be our logo, and that looks pretty cool. Professional as well. Okay, so now the angle is different, right? The angle is now there's a package for you waiting, so check out what it is. Open the box, whatever. Open your FedEx package now. See if you've won the brand new Samsung. Nope, it's not gonna fit. Let's see. The angle should be a little bit different though. So open your FedEx package now. Check what present is waiting for you. Alright, I like that better. And then we need a, well, basically a gift box. So let's do clip art on this. It's usually what I like for these kind of things. So let's see. These are all quite squared. Okay, I like this one. Save that image. And now we just need to get it in the right dimensions. Alright, let's download it. And there we go. So that could be another approach you could take with the sweepstakes offers. Personally, for this specific offer, I don't prefer to use this kind of angle with the FedEx. You might want to do that on, well, definitely on sweepstakes, but I don't think a mobile phone offer is a great way to promote with FedEx or any other postal service. So then I would be leaning more towards the win a phone or answer a survey and get your phone, or get your phone now. Maybe it's just a giveaway and you can get it as long as you opt in. So I don't really like the FedEx kind of approach on the phone sweepstakes. However, I still think it is a good angle, which you see quite a lot in the spine. So look at that, La Poste, La Poste, La Poste. So quite some affiliates are having success with these kind of postal office approaches, even on phones. Look at that, Samsung S9. So it is a very popular angle to take. Personally, it's not my most favorite, but whatever floats your boat. That's gonna be it for this one. I will catch you next time. Until then, peace out.